Hey guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today we're going to be making an easy tortilla lunch. So I'm going to do this. I've got chopped onion here. Going to put it in my frying pan. I've also got garlic here. It's a garlic paste. Going to put teaspoon in. I'm going to stir it. I'm also going to put in my bacon. This is cooking bacon. After I left it to fry a bit, I put in my red pepper. I'm gonna stir it and leave it to fry. I've got cooked chicken here, which I'm gonna add to it and fry it. I've also got stir-fry vegetables. I add to it. I froze my vegetables so that it doesn't go off. I'm gonna add some salt to it and black pepper for taste. Got my aroma stock here, which I add to it. I'm just gonna stir it and let it cook, get really tender. I've got tomato ketchup here, so I'm gonna add it to it. So my sauce, my filling is ready. I've got it wrap here. You just put it on your sandwich toaster and you fill it with your fillings. Gonna add some cheese to it. This is preferential if you like cheese. Just fold it into two and you just close your sandwich maker. About 3 to 5 minutes it's ready. So after a couple of minutes, you can see it's nicely done. So you're just gonna cut it. You can see it's divided for you, so it's easy to cut. And then you cut it, and that's it. Finished result. Looking really nice and beautiful, and it tastes delicious. So we're just gonna do all of it. That's our tortilla done. Easy and simple. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you. Bye.